Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Alex Steele. I'm joined by Bloomberg's Denitsa Sekova. Denitsa, what are you looking at today?
Let's start with quantum computing. Obviously, that was one of the biggest winners of last year. The ticker is QUBT. Shares declined about 9% after reaching an agreement with institutional investors for the purchase and sale of about 14 million shares. This will be gross proceeds of around 200 million before expenses. That's a very interesting stock. Last year, it was up 1,700%. Quantum computing has obviously, it's been a really big buzz and among retail investors and others. There are so many ETFs and a whole ecosystem around it. But at the end of the year, the company said it was awarded a contract with NASA. The whole technology of quantum computing has incredible promise, processing power of millions times greater than computers, which will be great for drug discovery, material design, encryption, and all that. The big issue is that it may take a very long time to do that. It's obviously a very expensive process. So this year, the stock is not doing well at all after a crazy rally last year.
Yeah, crazy rally is 100% the definition of that. Also, you're taking a look at Fiserv. That is a fintech company. That stock up over 2%.
We're looking at Fiserv. They're launching their own stablecoin, and stablecoins it's been in the news everywhere, and it's coming off legislation. Most surprisingly, I wouldn't think about the Senate passing a legislation on stablecoins, but obviously that's slowly moving through Senate. Of course, it's part of the crypto industry supporting President Trump's re-election campaign, and clearly a legislation coming there. Fiserv is up 2% today. Circle, which we've been talking about a lot, it's up about 15%. You can't even keep track because the stock keeps rising. It's up 790% since its IPO. This is Circle SRCL, and Fiserv ticker is FI. So those stablecoins can gain traction in traditional financial circles with lawmakers passing that legislation. Stablecoins are usually pegged to the value of assets like the dollar. That's what the legislation offers. They've been on a crazy run, and everyone is wanting to get a piece of the pie.
Paul, do we need our own stablecoin now?
It's time.
I think we do. I needed the IPO allocation at $31 a share. I don't know where that is. I don't see it in my account. Mm-hmm. So I'll call up all the people on Wall Street and figure out what's happening. But that is $31 IPO on June 4th of this year. And look where we are just a couple of weeks later. Amazing. All right. One more.
We have Exelixis, ticker is EXEL. It's climbing after the company reported a positive top-line results from a trial study on treatment for colorectal cancer. The stock is up about 12%, and the year-to-date gain is 36%. Analysts are very optimistic. They said that the study is pretty much paving the way for the first regulatory approval of the treatment. The oncology company on Sunday said that its in development cancer therapy demonstrated a significant improvement in survival rates for patients using the drug with a combination with another drug. So there is a lot of optimism among analysts. The company is having a strong year-to-date gain, and it's potentially moving to the next phase and getting very close to approval.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.